Hello everybody and welcome back to the garden. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be transplanting some seedlings outside, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about certain scenarios where you don't actually harden off your seedlings like you normally would. Typically we would harden these seedlings off over a period of about a week, but we have the perfect scenario to where we don't actually have to do that. And I'm going to talk to you guys about that today and certain types of seedlings that you don't have to harden off given the right circumstances. These seedlings have actually been outside for 4 days now, and the reason why we haven't had to harden them off is because we've had the perfect weather. It's been overcast skies, with temperatures ranging between 45 and 55 degrees, dropping to maybe 38 degrees at night generally. It has gotten a little bit colder than that, but these seedlings have been just fine. The reason why we don't have to harden them off like we normally would is because we have those overcast skies and a pretty steady temperature range. Normally, if you were to bring these outside after being indoors and they're exposed to that really bright, harsh sunlight during the daytime, and then the colder temperatures at night, that's really going to be very stressful on the plant. And since we've got these overcast skies and these beautiful days, we don't have to do that. So if you have a stretch of weather near you where you have gotten a period of 4 or 5 days that is supposed to be overcast with temperatures in the cooler range, then you might want to look into taking your seedlings outside for that period of time instead of having to harden them off. This is a little bit easier to do. Generally, hardening off is pretty easy to do in the first place, but this can save you a little bit of time instead of having to bring them in and out like you normally would. I've got to say, even though I've used these peat moss containers in the past without any issues, for some reason this year it just doesn't seem like I am getting the root growth that I normally would peeking through these pots. They're just barely reaching through. I don't know if they have changed the way they compact them or what, but they seem a lot more compact than they have been in the past, and that's why I'm kind of tearing them off here, unlike what I normally would. And that's the reason why I generally use peat moss containers, is because I can just transplant them right into the garden without having to do anything to the root system, but that's not the case this year. Well, thank you guys all so much for watching this quick video today. I know it might have seemed a little simple, but sometimes nature works in simple ways. I hope this maybe helps you guys out in the future this year if you find yourself behind and would like to get your seedlings outdoors and growing. Thank you all for watching. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next episode.